From this data, we have to find out the bonus for each employee. And the criteria is employees who are from sales and marketing department with basic salary less than 45,000 get bonus of rupees 25,000. Otherwise, bonus is 10,000. So for this, I am using if formula with and or function. For this, type equal to if bracket open or function for sales and marketing department. So equal to sales comma this equal to marketing department bracket close. Department may be sales or marketing but with basic we are using and for basic salaries 45,000 sorry less than or equal to 45,000 bracket close comma if this condition is satisfied then the bonus we are giving 25,000 otherwise 10,000 bracket close press enter and drag. Now you can see sales with great basic salary above 45,000 get the bonus 10,000 and marketing above basic salary 45,000 get the bonus 10,000 but sales with basic salary below 45,000 get the bonus of 25,000.